What's up, guys? It's Moon Man from the Moon Rush channel, and my package finally came after a month because the weather decided to take a shit on me. I got a tarantula in the mail, and I'm gonna open it, and we're gonna put it in there, and you're gonna watch it. All right. Got the box open. One Aphonopelma Chalcodes, 2.5 years old, and it is a female. He had the option. I got it from Ken the Bug Guy. They had a male available too, but I opted to go with a female because I like the. I've heard the males seem to have a little bit more black on their legs comparative to the females, and I really like the blonde. I think it's a really good contrast to maybe a Grammostola polka or the Brazilian black or something like that. And this has been my first tarantula, even though I've been a fan of the hobby for about 3 years now. And finally I got one of my own, so I'm happy about that. Let's see here. And there it is. Not sure. He didn't send me any free ones. I know he does that for some people. I wasn't really expecting one, so I'm not really too disappointed or anything. Packaging's pretty good. Got the styrofoam, all 4 sides, and of course the newspapers. And it looks like it's got, it's got the toilet paper, the standard that you see in all unboxings. So I'm really happy with that. So now it's time to get her out. Okay, I don't know how well this is gonna sound, but I have it set up my phone set up in the very edge of the enclosure, and so I don't have a cameraman, so it's just me. I have a catch cup here too, so just in case something goes awry, like she wants to run or something, which I would guess I would want to stretch my legs if I was a tarantula, and I was also. Oh well, she's not right there. And if I was, kept in a cup for a day. I think I've seen her. It fell. My bad, sorry about that. It ain't gonna fall like when she's out there, trust me. It only fell because I hit it. I think I can see her leg already, in this. The way it's packaged, it's just she's very. Yeah, she's really in there. Hey, there she is. Okay, just grab this here. She looks good. Looks pretty good to me. And let's get a look at her real quick. There she is. Let's get a look at her real quick. Right there she is. Oh. Oh, what a beautiful Arizona / desert / Palomino / Mexican blonde. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna get her the rest of the way out. Now, I really don't like having to do this, but I don't have anything not super sharp. So in order to nudge her, I'm gonna have to use this, the tweezers. Go. Well, nothing super soft, I meant. She's kind of just loving to sit there. Just kind of sit there. I would assume she's probably pretty thirsty. Go. Go. You want to go? Okay, I'm not gonna. Nope, she's moving a little bit. Let's see what she decides to do. Real quick. I have a catch cup, like I said, just in case. Ooh, she's beautiful. Her name is going to be Squeak, by the way. Look at her. See, I really like the females of this. I'm sorry for the lighting, because you can tell, you see how their legs are really blonde too, just like the carapace. On the males, it's supposedly, from what I've read, the males will develop black legs. And nothing against that. I would like to have a male one day if I can, This is my starter one. I don't plan on this to be the only one I ever have, but, let me try to touch her. We'll see. Oh, no, she's moving. She's going. Oh, yeah. try to get a feeding vid in the next day or two. I'm not going to feed her right now. I don't want to stress her out or anything. Really. Ooh, ooh. And there she is. Stretching her ass or whatever. I don't know what she's doing. It's pretty cool though. Now here's it with the light on. You see how beautiful she is. She's the gorgeous, gorgeous tarantula. And again, I got her from Ken the Bug Guy. I ordered her like before Christmas. Today is the 8th of January, I think. It just now got here, but the weather decided like right after I ordered it that it was just gonna be poof bad, and then like they don't ship after like the 12th of January or something like that. So like this is the earliest I could have got her. He shipped her on the warmest days of the year so far, and yeah, she's beautiful. And I had I have this cocoa fiber substrate. I had a problem with mold when in it, and I had to clean all the mold out last night before she even got here because it retains so much moisture. I'm gonna have to probably put more air holes. That's what I'm thinking. And I had to put it. I did everything to dry it. I even resorted to putting it in the oven, and it really didn't dry all the way, but it dried it most of the way. And now it's pretty dry. And I know they like it that way. And I got a little water dish. I'm just because of their size, I think I'll keep that. But if you think there's a better one, then let me know. There's no water in there right now, and I got her a little hide, and I dug it out a little bit. But I'm just assuming she's gonna do whatever she really wants with it. And yeah, thanks for watching the video. And just be looking out for a feeding video sometime soon, I guess. Alright, I just want to show you guys one more thing. As soon as I went to shut this, she decided that she wants to go inside her little hide. So that's nice. Dang, she really is a gorgeous tea. Alright, thank you guys for watching.